Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add an editable or customizable text box to your documents on Google Docs really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now the fastest way to do this, instead of using the text tool, customization tool here at the top, would be to simply add a drawing to your document on Google Docs and then simply to add your text box via that drawing tool. To do that, guys, simply head over to your document. So let me go with that blank page here on that example document. And what you want to do, guys, is hover your mouse or place the cursor where you'd like to place the text box. So let me go with that place here, that spot. And after that, click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over Drawing from the drop-down menu and select New here to the right. After that, you will see this drawing space. So what you want to do, guys, is make use of these customization tools here at the top. One of these is called text box here with that double T symbol here. So click on it and simply place your text box where you'd like to have it. So let me, for example, draw it here. Simply left click, drag it and release your left mouse just like that. And that's your text box. Now you can fill your text box with text. So let me type in, for example, test 1, 2, 3. Then you may change, for example, the text font here. The text or the font size, increase the font size or decrease it, then use italic letters, bold letters, underlined letters, change the text color, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. Once you're ready, click on Save and Close here to add the text box to your document. Now you can, for example, edit it or adjust its size and position, the text box, move it around, for example, change its size, or edit it even more and customize it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you add text boxes to your documents on Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.